You don't need no other body. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is The Great Tay Tay. If it's your first time here, welcome. So as you can see from the title of today's video, let's get into this wig, okay? Let's cut to the chase. Let's get right into this wig. Like, yes, it's a wig. It's a wig. It looks like a fresh perm. It's a wig. I got this wig from World New Hair. I'll leave all their details in the description bar below. I also received a discount code. My gift to you is that discount code. If you do want to purchase a hair from them, feel free, use the discount code and you can save some money, okay? So for today's video, as I said before, I will be doing a full detailed review of this wig. I'll be showing you guys how I installed the wig. I'll be doing the full unboxing, the whole works, blah 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 blah. So just keep on watching. And one thing, you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. It's absolutely free, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Like, what you waiting for? Subscribe, and also don't forget, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. And also, you guys, let me know in the comment section below, like, what do you think about this wig? Like, me like it, but let me know what you guys think. At first I was like, you know, when I did the unboxing, I don't want to say too much, but I wasn't too happy with the way it was before, when I just, you know, but I like it. I can work with it. I like it. It have a natural look. So just let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, what you guys think of the wig, and let me know if you guys will be grabbing one of these wigs as well. So you know what, enough talking, too much chit chat. So just let's get right into the video. So you guys, the hair came in this satin bag, this cute little satin bag, and in my little package they gave me some lashes, some really cute long lashes. They gave me wig cap. I'm really appreciative of that because I really needed a new wig cap. They gave me a satin scarf, and this is the wig, you guys. It's a 4x4 wig. It's a closure wig. It has the clips at the front, and also it has clips at the back. And also, you guys, at the back you can adjust the straps. It has adjustable straps at the back of the wig. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am gonna kind of like jazz the wig up a little bit. I'm gonna customize the wig. I'm gonna do a little plucking. So the look that I had in mind, I wanted to do like a slick back kind of thing. So I was gonna pluck the front, the hairline, because it was not pre-plucked at all. So I'm like, hey, let me pluck the hairline. But in the end, I ended up not wearing the wig with the hairline out. But hey, when I'm wearing the wig again, I can wear it back. If you want to see different ways how I wear this wig, you can follow me on Instagram at @dgreattay. My Instagram name, it's on the screen. So now I'm just plucking, you guys, and I am using my tweezer to pluck and some water, in case you may be wondering what I'm spraying on the hair. I find that when I'm plucking and I use water, it just makes it a little bit easier for me. So that's the reason why I use water. I know some people, when they are plucking, they pluck the hair dry, but I just, honestly, I prefer to use water when I'm plucking the hair. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, you guys. Just plucking the front, and I'm parting the sections really small because I don't want to pluck too much, and then, you know, the front of the hair, it's all patchy you know, like, yeah, and that's not gonna be cute. So I'm trying my best not to pluck too much. So as I pluck, I'm just gonna like bring in the hair back, you know, just so I can see what it looks like. And then I just kind of like keep plucking. Really, it's, you know, it's pretty repetitive. I just using my T-pins to secure the wig to my canvas head. So yeah, I'm plucking. And you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Go ahead, subscribe if you like videos like these. If you like hair videos, try on hauls, stuff like that, hey, subscribe to my channel. And you know, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. Let me know what other styles you guys want to see. If you're into clothing and fashion, let me know what online store you guys would want me to shop on, and I can grab a few pieces and hey, I can review them. I can do some clothing haul for you guys, but I already have a few, so be sure to check out those videos if you have not yet done so, you guys. So now I'm just gonna be plucking the other side, plucking away. So yeah. So you guys, you know what I like about this wig is that the hair, it's really soft. The hair is really soft. It's really soft. But I find that the wig, it could have been a little bit more full, the density, but